Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube channel. Okay, this is very easy. Now first you should have email on Gmail or Yahoo or anything. Okay, and now I want to make a channel on YouTube. Yes, you can now create your YouTube channel. Just sign in. Now you don't have email on YouTube, you will click here, create account for myself to manage my business. Okay, for myself, now you will write this data. Okay, first you should have an email. I don't have an email. Okay, I'll create a Gmail account. Okay, I'll write here first name Mood, last name Show, username TK, you will write password, and you should keep it in your memory or your own computer. Okay, and then next. Oh, this username is token. Okay, try another 3896. Okay, next. Here phone number optional, that's not true, not should be. Okay, recovery email address optional. Okay, I don't want it. Okay, months, your months, your birthday, grade, 22, year, then gender, male or female, then next, then you should agree. Okay, now we have email and channel on YouTube. You will right here sign in. You will find your channel. Okay, that's the channel we're making, YouTube Studio. And now you confirm your channel, this name or other. Okay, or use a business or other name. Okay, we can click here, and now right here American TV 2020. Okay, and then create. Okay, that's your channel on YouTube, and now you can upload video from your computer, your phone, anything. Now you have channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching video.